Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a little different video today. I'm going to start doing a Marketplace Monday is what I'm going to kind of start doing. And just go through everything I see on Marketplace and badge something the Shitbox approved award. And maybe we can find some good deals. Maybe pick some projects up along for the channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I've been extremely busy with work trying to get everything done. So let's take a look on Facebook Marketplace and see what we can find here. First thing we're going to look at here, let's look at this Mustang in Thompson, Georgia. I got everything set to the southeast, so the whole entire southeast United States. Well, we thought we were going to look at that thing. $3,500 Fox body. It was going to be potentially a good deal. Come on, internet. Golly. Of course, when I go make videos, when the internet wants to go to crap. Okay. Not running. V8 5-speed carb swap. And the pictures are now frigging me up. I swear. Technology, I swear. I could do this thing 100 times without nothing recording. It'd be fine. That's actually not too bad looking of a car. It's had a Mako paint job sometime in its life. Oh man, $3,500. That's not a bad deal. Got you a V8 5-speed card swapped. Fox body. Thompson, Georgia. Ooh, here's a Wellcraft center console boat. Come on now. Oh. Let's see. Let's try to find something better. Oh, look at this right here. This looks sweet. Call Chad. 1950 Ford F-150, Chevrolet 350, 700 with a lockup converter. This freaking, my internet, man, I tell you. Don't this happen anytime you want to do something, y'all? This is how it happens every single time. This ain't bad. That's a pretty cool looking little ride. Oh, well, that'd be cool to cruise around town. Not for $9,500 though, not for this fella. It's pretty cool, but not for me. Oh God. So, obviously the Chevelle being on the channel, so we love Chevelle, so anytime I see one, I'm going to click on one. No trades. My husband built this Chevelle from scratch. He just turned it into a push to start. Was just a frame. He turned it into a push to start. The fuck? Some dumbass shit. I ever did read it. Spartanburg, South Carolina. You can't think a lot more than that. God, it's not a bad car. It's an automatic car. I doubt it's a real SS with all the fake 327 and this and that and everything else on the front end. SS didn't have a 327, so it's probably fake. Well, not fake. It's probably a Malibu, but it's not. It's got LS in it. It's an automatic car anyways. Nobody gives a shit about that thing. How much they want for it? $35,000. I'd say that's a Shitbox for $35,000. That's for sure. I saw this the other day, and I can't make out what it is. Y'all help. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a trailer, not a car. I was looking at the El Camino on there. Looks like a 68 El Camino. Oh my God, look at this gem. 95 Mustang. They want $4,000 for this car. And it is the one picture I saw of my freaking internet will upload. I tell you what, boy. Every time I turn on this damn camera, something goes to crap. They want $4,500 for this convertible 94 GTO that has been mangled on the left side. Look at that. Jeez. Gotta play popsicle. Popsicle dad for a second, y'all. We ain't gonna drag this video out too long, but.
I want two of them.
Alright, we'll take it. right. That's definitely the worst deal I've seen on here. That's worse than the $35,000 Malibu SS 327 Special 68 Chevelle. Let's see. Ooh, that's a clean Corvette. I saw this Corvette the other day. It's a pretty clean looking little car. For $6,000, it's really not that bad. Looks like it's been well taken care of. Or it's had a nice paint job at some point, or a Mako job. Seams don't look too bad on it and stuff, so it's probably not that bad. Wore out. $6,000, y'all. You can go pick it up in Wadesboro, North Carolina. Ooh. So, long-term project for the channel. I'm wanting to put my 7.3 from my old truck into this, and something like this. Haven't found one yet. That's not beat all to pieces, but man, this one's actually, it's got rust in the back. 390 4x4 runs and drives. Third gear sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, it's got a good bit of rust on it, but it's not awful. Still got cab corners. How many miles is on it? Well, you'd assume that's probably 114 or 214 either way, but man, that'd be perfect if it didn't have so much rust in the wheel well and the beds. I want something I don't have to do a lot of body work to, because I'm taking on the Chevelle. Good God. That's been a lot of body work, and I am not a body guy, and I'm learning along the way. Ooh, here's this, let's look at this no-prep car. Small tire car. Got a big old Ford motor in it. 545 big block. Wow. Guys, this is worth $27,000. That stupid Chevelle we saw, when I say stupid, I love Chevelles. I got one sitting outside. That was the dumbest thing I've ever seen for $35,000. This right here actually has some cost into it. And this looks like $25,000 worth of something. Big block, nitrous, built turbo 400 trans brake. That's a nice car. I mean, you could get going on that. That car's in Eastover, South Carolina, if anyone's wondering. I mean, it's a race car, but it ain't a show car. But man, at least it's got some stuff done to it. Let's see what a $17,000 '98 supercharged. Okay, well, that sounds pretty good. Sounds like an LSA. I assume that's an LS in it. Nope, it's a 4.6 2-valve. It was camming like a LS though. It really did sound like a LS. First off the hit though. No, it sounds like a Ford. I didn't listen to the video long. Well, that's an alright deal. I wouldn't call it a great one. Ooh, here we go. Here's a 57 Bel Air 2-door sport coupe. $30,000. Needs a little body and paint. Has a brand new door and driver's side at 2,400 miles on the car. That's a pretty slick car. Is it worth $30,000? I have to go look at it in person and see what the rust really looks like on the thing. But it's in Charlotte, so some docked up. They probably got it. Fox body, roller, race cars. Don't pay attention to the dirt track cars. Every now and then I get this little hot wind up my tail to think, you know what, I want to go buy me another dirt car. Maybe I'll sell the Chevelle and go dirt car racing. Nah, then I'll look at it and think about all the work and getting pissed off every week. And so I'm going to stay retired. So got to get all my trophies hung up in the back over here, but I'm going to stay retired. All right, let's do this. We're going to search something real quick and see what comes up, y'all. All right, let's take a look at this. My internet's just being so crappy today. 69 Impala. That's a big no. Not me. Make a good donk or something, but not me. 72 Chevelle. 15,000. Pro Street, barely driven. Never raced or taken to the track. Good old Hope Mills, North Carolina. Come on, outside of Lumberton. Guys, this ain't a bad car. See, now, this looks like a $15,000 Chevelle. All the Chevelles, including mine, they have these bad windows in the back. So, you'll see a lot of them, a lot of times they'll have a good paint job, and then you'll see the Bondo cracking up down here. That's because us in the South and the good Lord and everything else, we love the Bondo. So, that's what we put on cars when we want to patch them up and fix them in a hurry. So, if you started chipping that back, if I had to guess, you pull this window seal off right here, and you chip that back, there's probably a good bit of rust back there. So, maybe you want, hey, you know, if you want $15,000 Chevelle that's running and driving, got a big old motor in it, and big slick tires and already tubbed out. It's got a 454 in it. With a shift kit, 15 grand ain't too bad to start, you know, being shit. I paid $6,000 for my car, and it run, but didn't have a lot of work done to it. Oh, nice Chevrolet. Oh, let's look at this Dodge Charger. We'll see what they want for this thing. Probably $127,000. Cleaning out my grandfather's place, selling his car collection. Many classics, trucks, and available for sale or trade. $99 isn't the price. Message for price and info. Let's see what old Pawpaw got going on here. Got a Galaxy. Got a truck. Got a Cutlass. I had one of these cars. Loved it. Did burnouts in it. Had fun. Got another Cutlass. Got another 80s model something. Dodge something. Dodge something. Dodge. Old, looks like it was an Oldsmobile and a Dodge guy. Got a Ford Fox body. Pawpaw's truck. Ooh, he got a Ford. Is that Festiva or is that a Pinto? It was a Festiva, I guess. And here comes Dodge Chargers. 2 of them. Got a pair of them. I'd be curious to see what they want for those Chargers. Especially that one on the left. That one on the left looks like a pretty good deal. Knoxville, Tennessee. If anyone knows any Dodge fellas want to go try to chase it down, search Dodge Charger in Knoxville, Tennessee. You'll find one. Oh, here we go. Here's a 69 Chevelle. Want a car that infuriates most boomers and people who go out of a running shower to pee. LS twin turbo. See, now this is a $27,000 Chevelle that's ready to roll. It's really not that bad of a deal. A little bit of updating on it. Looks like an old bracket car maybe at some point. But it's got the right bones, got the right motor, got twin turbo LS in it. So. Okay. Look at old Barracuda. They're selling just the chrome off that Barracuda for $1,200. Dodge guys are insane, man. Like, insane what they want for shit. Alright. Alright. Simple enough. Come to the conclusion, I know what my shitbox is going to be. Shitbox stamp reward. Way overpriced. Not worth what they're asking for it. Somebody will probably buy it. Let me find it. Let me find that Chevelle. Here you go, right here. I ain't gonna show the person's name. $35,000 for this SS 327 on big wheels with an LS in it that is not nowhere near done. It's got a paint job on it. That's it. Good luck, guys. That's it for this video. That's the crappiest deal I've seen on on Marketplace. Way overpriced. They'll never get that. Car's not worth it. $35,000 is a finished car price these days. $40,000 for a maybe original numbers matching 396 big block 4-speed car, but not jacked up on big wheels. And everybody has style. Hey, I get it. I'm just saying it's not worth $35,000 this way. And more than likely, it don't have a VIN on here. Nope. But more than likely, I don't think it's not a real SS. More than likely, just straight up push start 68 SS, whatever that is. I guess it's because it's got a push button for the LS. Fuck if I know. But dumbest shit I've seen on Facebook today. So y'all have a good weekend, a safe week. We'll get you a new Chevelle video up soon. Y'all have a good one.